What is Bria AI? Bria AI is a visual generative AI platform designed from the ground up for commercial safety. Unlike Midjourney or DALL-E, which were trained on massive swaths of the open internet, Bria's models are trained exclusively on licensed, 100% legally sourced content from partners like Getty Images, Alamy, and Envato. The ethics first features licensed-only training. Bria's dataset consists of over 1 billion curated stock images. This ensures that every output is safe for work and free from copyright, trademark, or privacy infringements. The attribution engine. Bria uses a patented Spotify-style model. When an image is generated, the platform tracks which original creators' works influence that output and pays them micropayments. It turns AI from a threat to artists into a recurring revenue stream. IP indemnification. For enterprise customers, Bria offers full legal protection, essentially promising to stand behind the commercial legality of the images you generate. Why businesses are switching to Bria? While Midjourney might win on artistic flair, Bria wins on production utility. 1. Tailored brand consistency. Bria's on-brand content engine allows teams to fine-tune the AI using their own brand assets, logos, specific characters, or color palettes. In just 3 hours, you can train a LoRa, low-rank adaptation, that ensures every image the AI makes looks exactly like your brand. 2. The Developer-First API. Bria isn't just a website, it's an infrastructure. Most users access it through APIs and SDKs. This allows companies to build Bria's remove background, generate product shot, or text-to-image capabilities directly into their own apps, websites, or internal tools. 3. Precision editing tools. Bria's editing APIs are often cited as superior to Adobe Firefly in specific production tasks. The Eraser, high-accuracy object removal with seamless blending. Product Shot Bot automatically turns a messy iPhone photo of a product into a professional-grade e-commerce lifestyle shot. Background generation instantly place a product in a cozy kitchen or a beach at sunset while maintaining the product's lighting and shadows perfectly. The verdict, is it right for you? You should use Bria AI if you are a developer looking to add AI image generation to your own software. You are a marketing agency that needs to produce thousands of variations for ads without worrying about copyright. You are an e-commerce brand looking to automate product photography. You might skip Bria AI if you are a digital artist looking for dreamy or abstract inspiration. Midjourney is still the king of aesthetics. You want a free, unlimited tool for personal memes or casual fun. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified for daily updates.